Hello everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to make a 1 block challenge with my cousin. Say hi!
Hi.
So, let's get started. Okay, be careful, Sky. You might fall off. Oh my. Create a space well. I'll mind this. Ooh. Why it always goes to you? Make space, Sky. Make space. What is this? Is this kind of a bone? Wow, it's hard to mine. We have clay. Oh, a sapling! Here. Bruh. Hey, here, I'll give you the dirt. Why? Why did it fall off? Okay. Okay, so we have this platform. We made it bigger. And I have a crafting table. 2 chests. And I'm going to make a pickaxe. Sky! Pick that. Put your stuff in here. Put all of your stuff here and store it. Oh my god, I'm lagging again. So if you want, okay, I have enough tool to make a pickaxe. I mean an axe. I'll make 2. Here, Sky. There you go. Take that. Why aren't you putting anything? What are you doing? Bro. Can you move a bit? Sky.